For weeks, residents of Scotland's Isle of Lewis have been tormented by a low-frequency humming sound. They describe dizziness, sleep disruption, and mysterious migraines. Authorities recorded it at 50 hertz, just at the limit of human hearing. Local government opened an official investigation. Some thought it was diesel engines, but even after a power station shutdown, the hum persisted. Theory range from underwater seismic activity to secret military sonar, even UFOs, but nobody knows the source. My theory? It could be natural oceanic resonance amplified by fjord geography, not aliens, but locals. They're convinced something unnatural is happening. Comment below, what do you think really happened?